Okay, so your very first, I'm gonna ask another one. Your very first NFL game, running through that tunnel, what was going through your mind?
The coach is crazy for dressing me, man. You know what I'm saying? My rookie year, I remember dressing against Kansas City Chiefs. And I had got some reps, and I, I wasn't a starter, but I was kind of implementing the game plan. And I just remember, like, man, if Coach put me in the game, he has lost his mind.
Did you get a chance to play?
Yeah, I did, man. I got a chance to play, and it was the fastest thing that I've ever been a part of. The most physical sport, that you can imagine.
I fell.
No, you didn't. Did you really?
I did, man. Somebody pushed me and tripped me, and I fell. Skinned my knee before the game.
That sounds
I got
like
dirty
something.
before the game.
That sounds like something you would do too.
It got me hyped. That's why I ran down the field so fast. I was mad still, with anger. They're like, "Oh, Kasim, you're so great. You ran down there. You made a tackle.
I fell.
Take us through the play."
I fell.
I was motivated to go. I didn't really get into the specifics of why I was motivated. I was angry. My knee was bleeding. I didn't even get to the field yet.
You're killing me, man.
Plus, I didn't get catches that game too, so I was crazy.
How does it feel to be, let's see, what's it, 4-time Pro Bowl?
No, I've been there twice.
It's only twice?
No, yeah, the first time I was injured.
Oh, that's right. Are you having a good time at this event? Because this is awesome. I mean, all the ball players are here. You're seeing some old, still some current. What player were you really surprised to see here?
Me.
I knew that was coming. I knew.
It's not even a position.
Knew.
It's not a position. And they're like, oh, we'll just make a position and get some of them dudes in there. Nah.
Let's bring Kasim in here.
Because Hank Bauer was a special team player, and all the stuff that he did was like way more than what I've done. So to be a part of that group and like Ralph Panerska,
Hank Bauer was crazy though. Mr. I don't never fair catch a ball.
Yeah, man, he crazy. All them dudes. Speedy Duncan. I mean, they've done a lot of great things, and I'm still trying to do some great things so I can justify being on the team. So that way later on, people kind of like, man, you should have been on that team, man. You the washed up bum. Like, man, look, I did some things here and there. A Pro Bowl or two.
There you go.
Yeah.
Your very, very first time running out the tunnel as an NFL ball player. What went through your mind?
You know what? I can't say that I remember my very first time coming out of an NFL tunnel. I remember the very first carry that I ever had in the game.
Okay.
And that was against the New England Patriots, our first regular season game. It was a home game. And, Coach told me I was going to go in at a specified time during the game, and that time came, and we just happened to be backed up on the 1-yard line. So the first carry I ever took in the NFL, I was 7 yards deep in my own end zone.
Wow.
Yeah, we ran an inside zone play, and there was a cutback alley there that I did not take. I did not take the cutback alley because I would have gotten in trouble. But, we just pushed it and moved the pile and kept it going forward. But, just getting that first carry under your belt and, having a chance to say that, we did it in the NFL was definitely a special feeling.
Your very first time running through that tunnel, about to hit the field as an NFL ball player, what was going through your mind?
I think just your heart's beating so fast, and there's so many people in the stands. It's nothing like your college. Your college is such a small scale, and to know that the whole focus is going to be on you and everything you do that day, I think I almost passed out.
Oh wow, you're that excited, huh?
But I got some little smelling salt. I was ready to go, and probably had one of my biggest days. My first day going out, 12 unassisted tackles.
Now, how long did you play in the league?
I played 10 years.
10 years.
At 205 pounds.
And no injuries, correct?
No injuries, never missed a game. Yeah.